management. And first thing I will need to share with you that I've been the first one working on loyalty from Morocco, and one of the first 6 developers from all EMEA. So today I will be discussing just as a big picture. The first, I will be discussing just at a glance loyalty management, but I hope by the end of this session we will know more about loyalty management and maybe have maybe want to know more about the technical details. But before, let me introduce myself. So I'm a technical consultant from Salesforce. I've joined 2 years now, and from day one I worked on loyalty management. I'm a ranger and I have 4 certifications. One of them is, to be precise, it's the accreditation for loyalty management. Before joining Salesforce, I worked as a Java developer at CGI Technology and Solution, and I've also worked as an EDI functional analyst before joining Salesforce. So as I will be talking about a new product here, just a reminder, any decision purchase should be made on the actual service and product that are currently available. So within this session, we will be answering a few questions. The first one is what is loyalty management and why we should implement it on our customer business. What are the key capabilities and features that is offered by loyalty management? And by the end, we can see the industry's template and a quick demo of the service scenario. So the first thing that you should keep in mind is that loyalty management actually is a marketing strategy. We have been using marketing tools, but certainly to create customer. But the need actually the true purpose of a business is not only creating customer, but also to keep them, to make them advocate and to believe on their influence on the others. And actually loyalty management came here to fulfill this need for our customer. And this is not only by giving, not on a monetary system, by earning and burning points. Because actually when we are talking about earning and burning points, we are talking about only rewards. And actually giving a rewards is not loyalty. Loyalty is about trust. So building trust is building loyalty. And actually to say that a customer is loyal to a business, we have to see 3 concepts or aspects on that customer. The first one, he should be consistent. The second one, he should be confident about that service or product. And the third thing is that he should influence the other on the same service or product. So then we can see that we have built trust with that customer and that he is loyal to the business. So let's take an example. I am a customer, and to say that actually I'm loyal, the emotional side and the behavioral side of my experience should be aligned, which means that on my feelings side, I will need to feel like I'm more engaged. I am an advocate to that business, and actually I have a brand exclusivity. And of course, I'm satisfied with the product or service that the business is offering because the program will have some personalization on the benefits promotion. They will be matching my profile and my needs. They will not be global or just based on the earning and burning parts. And of course, if the feeling side is checked, the behavior one just follow because automatically I will spend more time within that business, that coffee place, or that shop. And I will come frequently. I will experience a lifetime value with each interaction. How? And this is by getting points, by getting discount, rewards, coupon, etc. So, here we have, I forgot the name. Brandy, yes. So we have 3 brandies, and actually one of them, I will be giving it to you because of this slide, actually, because I have one question within the slide, and the one that will answer this question, he will get brandy. Okay. So why is loyalty management? Now that we know the impact that loyalty management actually have on our feelings and behavior as a customer, so we can respond to why loyalty management. We have 3 reasons. I will be sharing with you 2, and you have to tell me the third one. So the first reason, or the third reason actually, is the reward and retainment, because as my feelings and behavior will be impacted by loyalty management, I will be loyal to that business. So the program will reward me as a customer for being loyal, and this will conclude to a retainment. Then the second reason is the driven behavior that will increase directly the customer lifetime value. And here my question, what? No. 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 It's difficult to give a hint. No. No. It's actually, it's the third reason. Yes. Okay. So the first reason, actually, as Mahmoud said, it's the ton of data, that first data party that we collect from the customer. Everything between the customer and the program is saved. So every interaction is saved, and this way we collect everything, every interaction, and we know automatically a lot of information about the customer. Okay. So this information, actually, we can use them on the reporting insights that will make it easier for the decision makers to come with the right decisions. And here, let's say we have still 2 others, but this one is quite easy. It's just the first one that will answer will get it. But because let's give me one example of events of a member. Yeah, go ahead. For example, making a purchase. Okay. Another example. Birthday email. What do you mean by email? But email is not on loyalty part. Email is in marketing. Yeah, yes, but this is okay. So here are a few examples of event. The first one, as I said, is the enrollment to loyalty program. We have another one here, the first sign-in to a web or a mobile application. For example, let's say that business want to promote a mobile application. So it will reward the customer for the first login. We have here, like Iman said, making a purchase, for example, getting a promotion or voucher as a reward, using the earned points actually to buy or to redeeming the points to buy a product or a service, and transferring points, for example, from a member to another member is an event. And here the birthday anniversary promotion, which was closed actually, but not the email birthday, but just the promotion birthday. Yep. So we can build loyalty projects for B2B and B2C projects. And also B2B2E, D2C, and B2B2C. Do you have any idea of what is B2B2E, D2C, and B2B2C? Okay, and what about the other three that are left? Okay. Okay. Yes. So B2B2E, which is business to business to employees, which means if an employee is a part of a business and that business is enrolled to a program, automatically he will benefit from the program. Same thing here on the customer side. If a customer is a customer for a business, if that business is a part of a program, the customer will benefit. Here, D2C, direct to customer, we are talking, for example, about Shein. They own everything, and they take everything by themselves. They do everything by themselves. The manufacturing, the marketing, the delivery, everything. So here we are talking about a direct to customer project. So now that we know what are the value that loyalty management can add to a customer life, so now we will see what are the key capabilities and features that are leading to this. The first thing is the program setup. We can have multiple programs in the same system, which means if, for example, we want to build two different programs for two different countries, they will behave the same way, or they will buy or they will benefit from the same product the same way, but they won't be rewarded the same way. For example, let's say France and Morocco. The customer from Morocco will be rewarded differently from the one of France. Just an example. Also, we have here some features like member administration, voucher management, reward management, benefit management, dynamic promotion management, for example. And what do you need to know is that all of this, within a project, they are all automated. But at the same time, we can have, the business guy can have access to the platform to go to the member interface and actually do actions by, for example, giving a voucher or giving a reward or something like that. We do have loyalty process administration, which is a loyalty tool that can actually allow the transactions to be rewarded in real time by accepting the APIs and then giving promotion points on or something like that. It's in a real-time behavior and not like the other tools like batches, which run in a daily basis or a weekly basis. We do have also Tableau CRM for reportings and analytics, and we do have a different template for each industry, loyalty management template for each industry. So now that we know a little more about loyalty, so we can go deeply into some keywords that are the most used in loyalty management, like tiers, currency, vouchers, member, partner, benefits, points, and promotion. But now I will focus only on the tiers and currencies. And I will tell you just like a story, or let's take an example of a game. When you will play a game, you have a champ, you're going to do actions. And each time you are doing action, you are getting points. There is two types of points you are getting. The one that allows you to go from tier to another, and here we are talking about the qualifying points, which means qualifying currencies. And the next one is the points that you earned to burn, which means you're going to use that point to buy something for your champ. And here we're talking about non-qualifying currencies, non-qualifying points. The tiers are exactly like the levels. So going from a level to another is going from the member going from a tier to another tier, and automatically he will benefit from benefits, which means I'm here giving just an example. Let's say you are a new customer, and you are a new customer. When you do a purchase, you are paying for your shipment. But once you go from tier 1 to tier 2, automatically you have as a benefit the free shipping. So here's just an example. We can also see if, for example, you are a premium member, you can be invited to the exclusive sales. So here we can see what is the value that can be added to the customer experience using the loyalty management features. So loyalty management, we have 3 aspects. The first one is the partner management, and here we're talking about earning and burning points. We do have the loyalty experience, and here we're talking about how we can give a value to the customer experience by giving him promotions, vouchers, and benefits. And here we can talk about loyalty foundation, which are the transaction journal. As I said earlier, we save everything in a journal. So each event, each transaction is a new record on the transaction journal object. And as we can have multiple programs in the same system, we can have multiple currencies and multiple tier groups. Saying multiple currencies is multiple non-qualifying currencies and qualifying currencies. Another thing to keep in mind is that loyalty management is not a standalone application. It should be linked to another product, at least Experience Cloud, because Experience Cloud will give the customer, the members actually, a portal to access their transaction history. They will know how many points they have earned. They will know what are the promotions that they have received, and they will have all the information about their loyalty data. Loyalty management is not a package. Actually, it's metadata that is based on Salesforce core platform. So we can integrate it with Service Cloud, Market Cloud, Commerce Cloud, MuleSoft, CDP, etc. So we can have a whole system based on loyalty management and other product solutions. And here we have a few industries template that I will show, but we have more. So we have retail, consumer goods, manufacturing, travel and hospitality, financial service, media, communication, and more. We have for each industry a template that can be used for each industry. So I worked on 4 different projects, and each one of them was from a different industry. The core of loyalty management is still the same, even that the business core changed from one project or one industry to another one. For the demo, I will be taking one service case scenario, which means we have a loyalty management implemented with Service Cloud, and we can see how an agent from Service Cloud can use loyalty management to make the customer more satisfied. So we have here Shelly and Adam. Shelly is a member in NTO program, and Shelly is a member service agent. What is the story actually? Why Adam will contact Shelly is that he bought a jacket for his next trip, but the shipment was delayed, and this is impacting Adam's trip. So here from the agent home, Shelly will receive an incoming call from Adam, and once she accepts the call, she will directly see all the information here about Adam. She will see how much points he have gotten from since the first day he joined the program. She will know what tier Adam has, and she will know all the transactions here, the recent transaction that Adam have been doing recently. Once she go to the analytics side, she will see that Adam here have been doing more purchase last month. So Adam is becoming more loyal to that business. So now, of course, Shelly will contact the shipment department to know and understand why the reason of the delay shipment. But at the same time, she have to make sure he will end the call and he's satisfied or happy. So what Shelly can do is by clicking here on the adjust point, she will give him 100 points. And once the points have been given to that member, she will add here a note saying that here is the reason why the shipment was delayed, and at the same time, here is I've given 100 points to Adams because of, or just to make up for the shipment delayment. Do you have any question? Okay. Do you have any question? Yes. On the TJ, actually, there is a limitation, but the customer can add for them. Yeah. So it, actually, I'm not sure. Yeah. On the license, no, talking about a transactional journal, I'm not sure. Yeah. Yes, 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 yes. We have more details in the Salesforce documentation. Yes. Yes. Actually, when you implement loyalty management with another clouds, if we implement, for example, Service Cloud and loyalty management, what you do exactly is allowing Sales Cloud to access data on loyalty management. So if an agent from another cloud wants to access to, for example, a member's details, he will be able to do that. So if there is no implementation, they will never know what are the information about members. No, in all the other products, yeah. Marketing, CDP. I will give you here another example for CDP, for example. You have segments with some criteria, so we have a groupment of members, and you want to give them a promotion. So you can integrate loyalty management with CDP, and you can send a promotion to a specific segment depending on few criteria. Yeah. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's related to Omni Studio, because when I'm saying we have templates for industries, I mean by it that we have loyalty template for each different industry. So you can implement loyalty management for each different industry, for communication, for travel and hospitality and other. Can you repeat, please? Rank? Yes. 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 And actually, we have it as a feature in loyalty management. Yep. Any other questions? Yes, actually, because 2 years now, the documentation was not really as today. So this is what one of the first difficulties within that project. Yeah. For 2 years now, the loyalty management as a product was so new. So even the community was just few members. Okay, so thank you, everyone. Yeah. Yes, of course. Because we collect data and we are using it on Insight, so you will know if a service, a product, or a member or a partner is effective or not. Yeah. Can you repeat? What do you mean by a score? Um, Actually, the tier is used to define if a customer is loyal or not. So because you earn points and then you go to the next level, next level. So if you are in the gold tier, means that you are one of the most loyal customer. So thank you, everyone.